yesterday when we were working with the dot cards, my student was counting all of them. So she would count individually all the way up to 9. And then when she got to here, she realized that the top was the same, and she looked at it and she immediately knew that it was 5. And that's subitizing. Looking at a dot card and knowing immediately how many without counting individually is subitizing, and it's an important math concept because then a student can start at that and count up. And it's concrete in their head. They don't have to begin at 0 or at 1 every time, which is important for them to be able to move on, to count on, to add on. And in here it was counting backwards, but she knew every time she only had to count the bottom dots to know how many altogether. So that was an interesting concept to see if she knew what subitizing was and if she could do it. And as students get more familiar with the math, they can subitize more and more numbers. But children are really concrete in the beginning. And kindergarten and first grade especially generally have to count starting at 0 every time until a 5 is 5. When you use these cards, it helps them subitize quicker. And it helps them get that concept, that concrete, that this is 5, it's there, and then I can count on from there. And that's important.